We're giving stuff away, stuff to make you a better MC. Everyone likes something for nothing, so I thought I'd quickly come on and explain the 4 things that you can download right now off the ExpertMC website. So apart from the 40 articles and nearly 50 videos that you can watch on the site, we have a set of 4 mini books that you can download instantly. So just pop onto the site. I'll put the link above and in the description below, and you can grab them right now. But what exactly are they? Firstly, we have the MC's roadmap. With so much to watch on the site and so much to read, some people get a bit confused about where to start, and they end up doing nothing. Don't let that be you. The roadmap outlines the very best steps to take first, and then the steps after that to make you a better MC. Next up is mastering the role of the MC. Now, this is a small mini book, but it's absolutely packed with great information to help anyone do a better job as an MC. In fact, the popularity of this little mini book when it first came out was the catalyst for me to create the entire ExpertMC project. And here we are, 50 videos later. We cover good introductions, working with the AV team, keeping events on time, keeping speakers on time, theming your work, insider secrets, and a whole lot more. And you can download it right now from the link above or from the description below. Then we have the special wedding MC report. Now, many MCs just work in the wedding industry, and it's a very lucrative field. This report covers one important topic, one aspect of the role, all about the speeches and the toasts. This is the one thing that you really need to get right, as this one thing creates the memories and the laughter and the tears at any wedding. So that's the wedding MC report. Last but not least is the MC's cheat sheet. Now, this is a document that I have taken all around the world. I take it to every MC assignment that I do. And it's a listing of questions that I can ask a speaker, a VIP or a guest. And you can use it in your thank yous during an on-stage interview, perhaps running a panel discussion. You can even use it in social situations and at a networking function, at dinner or drinks, just to keep the conversation moving along. The document is worth its weight in gold, and you can download it for free right now. So there you are, the 4 mini books that will help you become a better MC and be more confident on stage and off stage. You can download the ones that you're interested in, or the whole lot, from the link above, or from the link in the description below. Or if you want, just watch one of these videos coming up now.